If you're in the market for a heavy-duty truck, you might want to hold off on that purchase. The Ford Super Duty has long been the benchmark for capability and performance in the heavy-duty segment, but the 2026 model is bringing some serious upgrades you don't want to miss. Stay with us as we reveal 6 reasons why you should wait for the 2026 Ford Super Duty. Number 6. Refresh styling. The 2026 Ford Super Duty gets a visual refresh that builds on the strong foundation of the current generation. While the 2025 model already offers distinctive styling with its bold front end and muscular proportions, the 2026 version takes things to another level with more refined details and aggressive design elements. Ford continues to ensure that each trim level maintains its unique identity through distinct grille designs and trim-specific styling cues. The refreshed 2026 Super Duty features updated LED lighting elements for both the headlamps and taillights, giving the truck a more modern appearance both day and night. The front fascia receives subtle but impactful changes that improve both aesthetics and functionality, with redesigned air intakes that enhance cooling performance during heavy-duty operation. The side profile maintains the truck's imposing stance while introducing new wheel designs across the lineup. For those seeking a premium appearance, the 2026 model offers the Platinum Plus package, which includes unique exterior elements like a satin finish grille with bright chrome accents and model-specific wheels. The revamped appearance isn't just about looking good. Many of these design changes serve functional purposes, improving aerodynamics, cooling, and accessibility to the truck bed and cabin. Number 5. Impressive powertrain lineup. Under the hood, the 2026 Super Duty embodies Ford's commitment to providing best-in-class power and capability. The powertrain lineup offers impressive options that cater to different needs, from everyday work to extreme towing and hauling. The base 6.8-liter V8 gas engine delivers a robust 405 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque, providing excellent value for those who need a capable work truck without breaking the bank. For those requiring more power, the optional 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 gas engine generates an impressive 430 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque. But the real stars of the lineup remain the Powerstroke diesel options, with the standard version producing 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque, while the high-output variant delivers a class-leading 500 horsepower and a massive 1,200 pound-feet of torque. This unmatched level of power ensures that no job is too demanding for the 2026 Super Duty. All engines are paired with Ford's advanced 10-speed torque-shift automatic transmission, optimized for heavy-duty applications with features designed to maximize power delivery and efficiency. The transmission's wide gear ratio spread with 3 overdrive gears helps maintain efficiency during highway cruising, while still providing the low-end torque multiplication needed for towing heavy loads. This powertrain combination provides the perfect balance of raw power and refined drivability that makes the 2026 Super Duty a standout in its class. Number 4. New towing tech. The 2026 Ford Super Duty takes towing technology to a whole new level. Building on Ford's already impressive suite of towing features, the new model introduces enhancements that make towing safer, easier, and more efficient than ever before. For those who regularly tow heavy loads, these improvements alone make the 2026 model worth waiting for. The current Pro Trailer Hitch Assist, which helps align your truck with a trailer by automatically steering while you control the throttle and brakes, gets even better for 2026. The system now features enhanced camera views and more precise alignment capabilities, practically eliminating the frustration of hitching trailers. The popular Pro Trailer Backup Assist also receives updates, making it even more intuitive for drivers to maneuver their trailers in tight spaces using a simple rotary knob. One of the standout features is the expanded trailer tire pressure monitoring system, which now allows you to monitor individual tire pressures on your trailer, not just on the truck itself. There is also the ability to add auxiliary cameras to your trailer setup, providing unprecedented visibility around your truck and trailer combination. These cameras integrate seamlessly with the truck's display, giving you confidence when changing lanes or navigating tight spaces with your trailer. The smart technology includes the onboard scales and smart hitch features, which help you properly distribute trailer tongue weight for optimal stability and safety. These systems receive updates to provide even more accurate measurements and clearer guidance, helping both novice and experienced towers achieve the perfect setup every time. This comprehensive approach to towing technology ensures that the 2026 Super Duty remains the preferred choice for those who demand the best in towing capability. Number 3. Off-Road Readiness. For those who venture beyond the pavement, the 2026 Super Duty Tremor package offers uncompromising off-road capability. The Tremor isn't just an appearance package, it's a comprehensive off-road solution that transforms the Super Duty into a remarkably capable all-terrain machine without sacrificing its work credentials. For 2026, Ford has refined this popular package with even more features and capability. The Tremor package starts with a factory lift that provides an impressive 10.8 inches of ground clearance, allowing you to navigate challenging terrain with confidence. A set of 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack all-terrain tires mounted on unique 18-inch wheels provides exceptional traction in mud, snow, and rocky conditions, while specialized off-road running boards are positioned to protect the truck's body during extreme off-road maneuvers. The Tremor also includes a front-end lift, uniquely tuned suspension, and custom 1.7-inch piston twin-tube dampers that smooth out rough terrain while maintaining control. The package also features a locking rear differential and a limited-slip front differential for enhanced traction in challenging conditions, along with selectable drive modes that optimize vehicle settings for different terrain types. Low-speed cruise control for off-road use makes navigating difficult trails easier, allowing you to focus on steering while the truck maintains a consistent crawl speed. Water fording capabilities are enhanced with an increased water fording depth of 33 inches, thanks to the raised air intake. The Tremor also includes skid plates to protect vital underbody components, and the 2026 model brings reinforced rock rails for additional side protection when navigating rocky terrain. With its combination of factory-backed off-road equipment and uncompromised work capability, the 2026 Super Duty Tremor stands as the ultimate expression of a do-everything heavy-duty truck. Number 2. Updated infotainment system. The 2026 Super Duty receives significant upgrades to its in-cabin technology, centered around an enhanced infotainment system. While the 2025 model already offers a 12-inch touchscreen on most trims, the 2026 version introduces updated software with improved processing speed, enhanced graphics, and a more intuitive user interface. The system maintains physical controls for key functions like volume and climate settings, ensuring ease of use even when wearing work gloves. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto continue as standard features, but the 2026 model brings better integration and responsiveness. The available 12-inch digital instrument cluster also receives updates with new customizable layouts and improved graphics that provide critical vehicle information at a glance. For those who use their trucks as mobile offices, the enhanced connectivity options, including available 5G Wi-Fi, make staying productive on the go easier than ever. The 2026 model's infotainment system also introduces deeper integration with Ford's towing features, displaying trailer information more prominently and providing easier access to camera views and towing settings. Voice recognition capability has been significantly improved, allowing for more natural commands and better accuracy even in noisy environments. The available 18-speaker B&O sound system provides premium audio quality, now with refined tuning that delivers even better sound clarity throughout the cabin. Number 1. Class-leading towing capacity. The most compelling reason to wait for the 2026 Ford Super Duty is its extraordinary towing capability. With best-in-class available diesel gooseneck towing of 40,000 pounds, the 2026 Super Duty maintains Ford's tradition of towing leadership in the heavy-duty segment. This remarkable capability puts the Super Duty in a class of its own for those who need to move the heaviest loads. The F450 leads the lineup with its maximum towing capacity, while the F350 offers up to 32,900 pounds of towing capability. Even the F250 delivers impressive performance with a maximum conventional towing capacity of 22,000 pounds when equipped with the powerful high-output Powerstroke diesel engine. The fifth-wheel towing capacity reaches 22,300 pounds, and gooseneck towing tops out at 23,000 pounds for the F250 with the high-output diesel. What makes the 2026 Super Duty's towing capabilities even more impressive is that they're backed by Ford's comprehensive towing technology. The combination of raw capability and smart technology means you're not just getting a truck that can tow massive loads, you're getting one that makes towing these loads easier, safer, and more efficient than ever before. For anyone who regularly tows heavy trailers for work or recreation, the 2026 Super Duty represents the pinnacle of heavy-duty truck engineering. The next year will be big for the Blue Oval, as the Super Duty is just one of many models that come with serious upgrades. Check out this video about the 2026 Ford Bronco wowing everybody, which you can now see on the screen. With a load of updates and upgrades, the iconic model is ready to set new standards in the off-road SUV segment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.